Hi everyone, this is my submission for Automation Rising Hackathon. In this use case, I am utilizing Prisma, Palo Alto XDR, and AWS EC2 as the integrations to showcase my playbook. The scenario here is that we have received some alert from Prisma, which is integrated with EC2 AWS, and it has received some alert which we can see here. All right, so here we have the alert details, we have the instance, we have details like what is my resource, what is the actual incident, all of these details. Then we can see further information here. For example, what was the actual data which came from the system. We also see the policy which is defined in Prisma, which suggests what should be the uh, recommendation here. And finally, we see this resource section which talks about a lot of things which are related to AWS. Somehow this is not getting passed, so we will have to pass this also in my playbook. Let's switch to the playbook and see what it does. So playbook starts with looking at the whether this is AWS Cloud Alert or some other. If it is AWS, it will pass the details from the incident field. Then if the resource type is AWS instance, there are other options like S3 or so on, but this playbook is specifically looks at AWS instance. If it is instance, then we ask the analyst what needs to be done, and analyst has this information coming from Prisma policy description and Prisma recommendation to decide whether this should be blocked or not. If it should be blocked, we check whether AWS EC2 integration is enabled. We fetch the security group detail and we revoke ingress security group. In case AWS EC2 integration is not enabled, but Cortex XDR integration is enabled, then we can isolate this instance. Now let's go back to the incident and see the work plan. We should see some of the activities already completed. For example, we see the Prisma policy here printed out. We see the alert from the AWS that was not available. We have passed it. So now all of these things are stored in AWS underscore REST key. Moving on, we can see this is AWS instance. Yes. Now, based on all of this, the analyst has to decide whether this should be blocked or not. Let's assume based on the policy recommendation, we believe this should be blocked. Here is my note and mark complete. Once I do this, the system should run further activities. It might take some time. Okay, so now it's checking whether the integration is enabled. Yes. Get security group details. So it fetches the details of the security group. It fetches all of the details like group ID, CIDR, port, all of these details that we need to actually block this. And in the next step, this is actually blocked. On the second hand, if we had Cortex XDR, we should have uh, isolated the endpoint as well. This was my submission. Thanks a lot.